Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax over in St. Petersburg, and today we're giving you a raw, uncut tour, behind scenes access, exactly what happens when a boat comes in from the factory. Right here we've got an all new Boston Whaler 19 Montauk. Nice little step up from the 17. Check it out. Before we get to the features, give you a little updates on what's going on here. When it comes here from the factory, the boat is wrapped in shrink wrap material. Some stuff might come in pieces, that explains the mess. You can see a bimini right here in a down position. Don't get to see that very often. And then we're going to put it together, get it ready for sail, get it ready for sea trial, whatever that may be. You see up here you have the bow pad, trolling motor panel like we talked about before. If you want to just install a trolling motor right here, you could do so without any major modifications. So what do I know? I'm just a sales guy. I just sell the things and drive them around sometimes. Right here we have Jerry, the man behind the scenes, actually rigging these boats. Jerry, walk us through your process really quick when a boat comes in from the factory.
Well, first we unwrap it. We unwrap the boat, do a visual inspection, make sure that it's not damaged. Then I install props, then I do batteries, then we put some fuel, and we take it for a spin.
Boat motor trailer package. Down there we've got a tandem axle trailer, actually made for this boat, so everything's gonna fit nice and snug, no bouncing around. Up here you see the white rub rails with the stainless steel insert. Then we switched it up a little bit. While we went with the low profile rails up front, we did a classic Boston Whaler rails back here. We've got a Mercury 150 horsepower engine, Operation Bedrock as they like to call it, the most reliable outboard engine ever made, pushing this boat through the water. So if you have any other questions about this boat, anything else in our Boston Whaler lineup, come on down to MarineMax St. Pete, come see me, maybe you can meet Jerry, and we'll get you on your next boat. Bye guys.